Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Past Questions. Question number 42. So in this question, the instruction says that we should look out for the option that has a different stress pattern, that takes a stress on a different position. Option A is pronounced as despite. Despite, and it is a prepositional word. Prepositional. It is a prepositional, and it has two syllables. The option B is pronounced as petre. The one we call petrol is pronounced as petre, and it is a noun word. It is a noun word. Then it has two syllables. Two syllables. Then option C, it is pronounced as wardrobe. And it is a noun word, and it has two syllables too. The option D is pronounced as vomit, and it is a verb, and has two syllables too. So each of them has two syllables. Then the first word takes its stress on the second syllable. The first takes its stress on the second syllable, while the option B, petre, takes the stress on the first syllable, while option C, wardrobe, takes its stress on the first syllable, while option D, vomit, also takes its stress on the first syllable. So it is only option A that takes its stress on the second syllable. So therefore it is option A that is correct. Thank you, and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.